Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 9100 in Valorant. So here's the first thing you want to do. Go to search, type in turn Windows features on and off. It will open a window, and in here you want to make sure you disable Hyper-V, Windows Sandbox, and Virtual Machine Platform. The next thing you want to do is you want to right click on the Windows Start button, open terminal as an admin, and in here you want to type in bcd edit space /set space hypervisor launch type space off, and then click enter, and it will say the operation completed successfully. And you want to close this out. The next thing you want to do is go to search, find cmd command prompt, open it as an administrator, click yes, type in sc delete vgk, press enter, and type in sc delete vgc, press enter, and it will say success for both, and then you simply type in exit. The next thing you have to do after you've done that, you want to go to search, click on add or remove programs, look for add or remove programs, and in here type in Riot and find Riot Vanguard, and you want to uninstall it fully. Click yes, and after the Riot Vanguard is uninstalled, you want to double click on Riot Client and relaunch it. And once the client loads, you want to go to Valorant, click update. It will say install Vanguard, Riot Vanguard, and cheat, blah blah. You want to click update, allow it. It will quickly install Vanguard. And after it's done, it says your system requires a restart, but don't do that quite yet. You want to go to search one more time or twice, but yeah, you want to go to search, type in run, and in here type in services.msc, click OK. It will pop up this window. You click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC, double click on it. It will be set to manual. You want to switch it to automatic. Click apply, click start, let it load. If it doesn't load at first, you want to try it a few times, and then you want to close this. And the last step you want to do before you restart your PC, you want to go to search one more time and type in system configuration. It will open this window. You want to go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, and scroll all the way down till you find VGC. If it's unticked, you want to tick it. Even if it's ticked, you want to untick it and tick it again just to make sure it will work properly. Click apply, click OK, and it will ask you to restart your PC. And after you restart your PC the last time, or the first time in this case, your game should work properly and your issue should be fixed. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanguard 9100 in Valorant. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Also guys, I'll be doing $50 giveaway once I reach 5k subs, so it doesn't cost you anything if you subscribe. Hopefully this video helped you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.